Hello students, this is example 5 of week 3. So this example is a propeller. So I'm just going to start with a sketch on the front plane. You can choose any plane since it wasn't specified on the given sketch. Okay, then I'm going to start with the easiest part of the sketch. So that would be those two circles at the center of the propeller. So I'm going to make their centers the sketch origin, just so that the sketch origin is the center of the whole sketch. So the inner one is 20 millimeters in diameter, and then the other one is 40 millimeters in diameter. Okay, then I'm going to do one of the blades. So the blade basically consists of 5 tangent arcs. So I'm going to be using the profile tool. I'm going to start here with the 40 millimeter radii. And I'm just going to select the point here and say the radius should be 40. And then I'm going to make sure it is tangent. I'm just going to insert it. Then I'm going to insert a 10 millimeter radii. So it should be 10 and it should be something like this. Okay, then I'll be inserting the 100 millimeter arc. So I'm first going to say it should be 100 millimeters, and then I want it to exit something like this. Then for the last two arcs, I'm just going to put them in, not insert their dimensions just yet, just so that they are in sort of the right place. And then afterward I'll insert the dimensions and then also the last arc, and it stops on this outer circle here. Okay. Now that it's roughly drawn, I'm going to insert the dimensions. So this arc is 40 millimeters. Okay, it freaked out a little bit when I put in that dimension, so I'm just going to Control Z and maybe just start by first putting in the vertical and horizontal dimensions, and then I'll put in the radii. So I'm just going to click D on my keyboard and it opens up the wrapper dimensions. Then I'm going to first start by inserting okay, before I do that, I just thought of something else to do. These 2 points aren't or these 2 arcs aren't tangent at the moment, so I'm just going to select both of the arcs, and then when the menu hovers, I'm going to select this tangent one. So now these arcs are tangent. Now I'm going to continue with the dimensions. So I click D, and then I'm going to put in the 30 dimension, the horizontal dimension between this arc's midpoint and the center of the sketch. So I just choose the 2 points and I pull it up and put in the dimension 30. And then I'm going to put in the other 30 millimeter dimension, so it's between this center point here and this arc's center point. And before I forget, the code word for this video is mango. Okay, hope you got that. Then I'm going to continue and I'm going to put in the horizontal or the vertical dimension, this one here, which is 70 millimeters. Alright, then I'm going to put in the vertical one here, so between these 2 points, and the dimension is 80. Okay, then so I still need that 14.1 dimension, so that is between the center point here and this point here where that arc touches the circle. So that would be the start point there. So the dimension is 14.1. Okay, then I'm going to put in the arc's dimensions. So this one should be 40 millimeters, and this one should be 200 millimeters. Okay, let me just check. Okay, so at this point the sketch is supposed to say it's fully constrained, but it says there's one auto dimension. So I see that's because here's something strange going on here. This point isn't actually on this circle, so I'm just going to say this point should be actually on the circle, so point on curve, and there you go. Now it is fully constrained. So all that's left now is to pattern this one propeller blade. So I'm just going to select the curve, and since it's set on connected curves, the whole curve is automatically selected. Then in the pattern curve window, I'm going to select circular, and the rotation point is going to be the sketch origin. Right, and then there's different options here. I'm going to choose the count and span. So since it's the easiest, because I want 4 blades, and the span should be the entire circle around, so 360 degrees. Then I'm just going to say apply. Okay, and that is it. So yeah, the sketch says it's fully constrained, so that's good. So yeah, it is finished then. And just clicked finish, and then I'm just clicking here, and yeah, so this is what it looks like in the end. So I hope you all practice this example, and good luck with the rest of the examples.